The gears in this are so tiny.
Got 2 drivers out there yet. My cars give up.
Yeah, everybody's done.
Okay. And it was Mark, Jeff, Jason, Justin, Papa, and then Joe. Okay, Jason, I got you. Mark, Chef, Bill, and Joe, you can come across. You can take your lap.
Still hot.
Marshals are going to be Mark, Jeff, Jason, Justin, Papa, and how can Joe be in the last race and also be in this race? Oh, never mind.
Vintage truck. No, you should have brought your lunchbox. Your lunchbox.
No air time.
I was gonna bring my all right. That thing, the gearbox is like dynamite.
What class is this?
I need to get my beat full. I need to get my beat free done. You'll love it. I gave it to Mark.
You'll love it.
Mark's gonna work his magic.
Is your scoop done?
I think so.
Really?
Yeah, the gears are like super tiny.
Still waiting, Joe. There we go.
Joe step.
That's Mark's famous words. Send it.
What? Those wheels and tires are crap.
Send it anyway.
The wheels at home. The wheels and tires are at home. Do you think it's okay?
I need 2 more marshals. Mark, Jeff, Jason, Justin, Papa, or Joe.
We're all driving.
Need some volunteers. 1, 2, and we got our volunteers. We're good.
We're good.
Okay, in less than 5, it'll be Baldwin. Bill, Joe, and Jason. We're off and racing, folks, in this vintage 2-wheel drive truck. Next, we're going to take a little break, and they're going to water the track and blow it off, all that good stuff.
Walk up.
Wait a minute, stop, reverse that. Hey, well, we get this first minute or so, you go in. 9874, 9896, 9907, 9875, 9772, 9873, 9895, 9774, 9777, 9888, 9889, and 9880. 9880.
Sorry.
Oh, stuck on the rail. And he got it. Mike was sleeping on the job. He's awake. Not touching that.
Second.
Mark Baldwin with the fast lap that last time with a 30.8.
Oh yeah, you lost it. I'll put it on the table here.
Yep.
Second.
And we're at the halfway mark. All right now we got a fight going on for first place with Mark Baldwin at 10.520, Bill with a 10.523, and 9.520 from Jason.
After this race, you will have 10 minutes on the track, 10 minutes on the track if you want to try a new tire, and then we are going to blow it off, water, and get started with the next round. You got any extra money to spend, get it over there in the containers.
Second.
1 minute, 30 seconds left. Mark Baldwin leading the group with a 10.518, 10.522 from Bill Huff, and then Jason's running a 9.514. So pretty close between Bill and Mark. Only 0.6 seconds. Bill coming in with a fast lap of 31.2 that time. That's his personal fast lap. 1 minute left in this race.
Second.
Mark pulling ahead a little bit on Bill. 30 seconds left. He's got a 10.518, 10.520 for Bill. And Jason's running a 9.523.
Third. Second.
Bill trying to stay in the game. There's the tone. Keep rolling till you hear your name called. Again, we'll have 10 minutes of practice after